Imagine making up to $600 a day just by typing names. Sounds too good to be true, right? If you're like me, you've probably seen a lot of online opportunities that promise big money, only to end up wasting your time and getting nowhere. That's the problem with these easy money side hustles. They sound great, but can they really deliver? Well, today I'm putting one of these gigs to the test. So how does this actually work, and can you trust it? Let's break it down. Stick with me because I'm going to walk you through exactly how this works. I've been in the online business space for 6 years, and I've seen some strange things, so I figured, why not give it a shot? Now, here's the deal. The idea is simple. You get paid for typing in names like James and Sarah, just typing names, and you can supposedly make money from it. For every name you type, you're getting paid. You could earn $35 for a page of names, $150 for 5 pages, and even $550 or more if you type 25 pages a day. The best part? There's no cap on how much you can earn. You can type as much as you want, and in theory, make as much as you want. To put this into perspective, I checked out the calculator on the website to see how much I could really make. The pay rate is 15 cents per word, and one page has about 375 words. So if you type 375 names, you'd earn around $35. That's a pretty solid chunk of change if you stay consistent. If you keep going and manage to type 25 pages in a day, you could make anywhere from $500 to $800 a day. Not bad, right? The first step is to head over to talentdesire.com, which is where this whole opportunity is supposed to be. The website promises work-from-home jobs, no upfront costs, and a chance to earn money online. Sounds like a good deal. I quickly typed talentdesire.com into Google, and bam, it popped right up. But then, the first thing I noticed was that the site was absolutely cluttered with ads. Now, I've been in the online business space long enough to know that when a site is packed with ads, it's a bit of a red flag. Still, I kept going because the offer sounded legit. I scrolled through and found that they had a bunch of other online opportunities: proofreading, freelance writing, language translation, and even online surveys. But the thing that stood out to me the most was the online typing jobs, because honestly, they seemed the simplest and required zero experience or technical skills. The site claims you can earn between $18,000 to $35,000 a year doing online typing jobs, which isn't bad for something you can do from home. Depending on your experience, you could earn anywhere in that range. To get started, I clicked on rototype.com, which is the site where you can take a free typing test to prove your skills. If you pass, they'll give you a certificate to boost your chances of landing the job.